Hey, what's up, everybody? It's the 4K Lowdown, and I just got through with a great stream with Alex from Geeks and Flicks. We did a high five with him, and I got a delivery today, so we have a little unboxing. This came in from Amazon, and if my calculations are correct, there should be 6 movies in here. So let's break into this and see what I got. And hopefully, they're all in good shape. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Don't like the way that feels, but uh, so we'll start it off with Sylvester Stallone and Cliffhanger. This is the 4K. I'm really excited to check this one out. So feeling that. It's got the 4K, Blu-ray, and digital. And Turner Fan 77, this one's for you. I got the 4K of Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. And this is also 4K, Blu-ray, and digital. That looks like, I think that's going to be really fun. Moving right along with my next 4K, and it is Starship Troopers. That ought to be really interesting. Can't wait to check the picture quality on that. And it has Dolby Atmos sound, so ooh, I'm really jazzed about that. Up next is just a great movie and very odd lettering on it. I was told this was the French release, but if I'm looking at that right, I think that's Korean. But the audio is French. I'll have to open this up. But anyway, this is Brotherhood of the Wolf. Something that I've wanted on Blu-ray for a while. And I'm finding that very intriguing. That's interesting. Got the Scream Factory Collector's Edition of 13 Ghosts. I'm very excited to have this. This is one of my favorite haunted house movies. Pretty awesome. And then to go with my German one, I have the MVD Rewind Collection Blu-ray of Split Second with Rutger Hauer and Kim Cattrall. I like this one. This is a very fun sci-fi action movie, and I like the slipcover on this. It's pretty cool looking. All right, so that's it. 6 movies in the bag. Can't wait to watch these. So I got Cliffhanger, Into the Spider-Verse, and Starship Troopers on 4K. On Blu-ray, I got Brotherhood of the Wolf, 13 Ghosts, and Split Second. Awesome. Can't wait to put those in my catalog and get them on the shelf. That's it for me, the 4K Lowdown. Coming up, might have a show this Saturday. I'm still waiting to confirm on that. At this point, I don't believe there's going to be a stream next week during the week, but that may change. I may do another high five. Coming up will be an end of the month thing this month. And then on the 30th, on the last day of the month, we're going to do another high five with Alex from Geeks and Flicks. We're going to do a sci fi high five talking about each of us are going to pick 5 of our favorite sci fi movies and we're going to score them and rank them. So that'll be fun. I'm looking forward to that. But there's more things coming, unboxings, um, collection updates, town hall meetings, all kinds of good stuff. Be sure to like and subscribe, turn your notifications on, continue to check us out. If you want to be on High Five, definitely shoot me a message either on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, Letterboxd, even on TikTok now. The 4K Lowdown is on TikTok. Just starting out though. So I'm looking to put more videos on there, but definitely give us a follow or subscribe and check us out. Until next time, you guys be safe, take care, and enjoy the movies.